After yesterday's massive allegation by one of the witness of the NCB probe, now it is again NCP versus NCB. NCP's minister, Nationalist Congress Party's minister, Nawab Malik, tweeted a picture today in the morning and alleged that the birth certificate, he claiming it to be the NCB zonal chief Samir Wankhede's. In the said birth certificate, Wankhede's religion is mentioned as Muslim. His father's name appears to have changed from Dawood K. Wankhede to Dhyandev Wankhede. Remember, Samir Wankhede is a 2008 batch Indian Revenue Service officer and was selected under Scheduled Caste SC quota. Though the tweet, Nawab Malik is perhaps trying to insinuate that Wankhede has forced his religion in the documents to get the job. Another NCP worker tweeted a picture claiming to be that of Samir Wankhede's first wedding to a woman named Dr. Shabana Qureshi. In response, Wankhede issued a statement saying he belongs to a composite multi-religious family as his father was a Hindu and his mother was a Muslim. He also clarified on his first wedding saying he is married to Shabana Qureshi in 2006 but got duly separated and divorced in 2016. In his statement, he said that there was an attempt to malign his family and these personal attacks are meant to put him and his family under tremendous mental pressure. So this NCP versus NCB, Nawab Malik versus Samir Wankhede fight is still going on. Samir Wankhede, it seems, have been called to the NCB's head office in Delhi, and further the decision will be taken if Samir Wankhede will continue with the probe in this case or he will be asked to step aside till the time the vigilance case is pending against him. Divyesh Singh is with me at this point of time. Divyesh, what is the NCP going to do now that there are series of allegations against Samir Wankhede since yesterday? What is it that the NCB is saying? First, let's listen into Nawab Malik's reaction over this. What are the allegations Nawab Malik has made against Samir Wankhede?
समीर दाऊद वानखेड़े ये एक फर्जी व्यक्ति है। बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट उनका समीर दाऊद वानखेड़े का है। बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट में टेम्परिंग करके जो उनके पिताजी ने धर्मांतर करने के बाद नाम बदला था उसे फिर दुरुस्त किया। उसके आधार पे कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट निकाला गया। जो दलित कैंडिडेट थे आईआरएस के, उनके अधिकारों को फर्जीवाड़े के जरिए छीना गया है। पूरी इनकी जिंदगी एक फर्जी चीजों से शुरू हुई और सारा फर्जीवाड़ा वो कर रहे हैं।
Nawab Malik is now alleging that he forged his certificate and got the himself placed under the scheduled caste quota in the Indian Revenue Service. Divyesh Singh is joining me right now from NCB office. There are series of allegations, Divyesh, against Samir Wankhede since yesterday. Yesterday it was the witness who made these allegations. After that they filed an affidavit in the court. Now it's Nawab Malik who is alleging that his certificate is forged. Where is Samir Wankhede? Has he been called to Delhi? And when is likely to be that the decision will be taken about whether he will continue with the case or not?
Well, yes, Sahil, there are multiple allegations that have been leveled against Samir Wankhede, the Zonal Director of the Narcotics Control Bureau's Mumbai Zonal Unit and the officer supervising the cruise drug bust case in which Aryan Khan has been arrested. So, regarding the allegation leveled by Prabhakar Sahil, the independent witness of Narcotics Control Bureau in the cruise drug bust case, one thing that the NCB officials have stated that this particular allegation has been informed, the DG NCB has been informed about it, though Samir Wankhede had a scheduled visit. There was a review meeting at Delhi at the Narcotics Control Bureau headquarters and he had to go for that. So he will be going to Delhi and also we hear from our sources that it is during that meeting, after this meeting is concluded, officials could ask details about these allegations from Samir Wankhede, and a clarification will be sought from him. So the department is looking into the allegations, but these are only related to the vigilance issue, where Prabhakar Sahil had alleged that n number of crores of rupees were demanded as bribe by officials from NCB. He has also alleged that
this is
was
going
meant
to be
for
a
Samir
review
Wankhede,
meeting of Samir
his
Wankhede
employer, KP
at the
Prasad
NCB
was also
headquarters. Samir Wankhede has been given extension. This is the second time Samir Wankhede has been given extension in the NCB. He is basically belongs to the Customs Department. He was brought in to the Narcotics Control Bureau last year in October. This is the second extension which has been given to him for 6 months. There is going to be a review meeting, but of course, about the series of allegations, there will be questions asked by the NCB top officials to Samir Wankhede, and he of course will try to clarify his side of the story.